Good morning. Welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Okay, I'm about to show you some changes I've made in my living room. Now, if you didn't watch yesterday's video, definitely head on over and check it out. It was a clean and decorate with me, and I made a few changes. And then since then, I've made a little bit more because that's just what happens. If you move one thing, it like changes everything. So I'm gonna show you what we've been working on. Okay, so last night, probably around 9 o'clock, Savannah decided to start taking the pink out of her room. She had already taken out a lot of the LOL stuff and decor. It was just getting too busy for her, but she decided to go back to just like this turquoise and gray, and this is stuff that was all already in here. We just had it covered up by a lot of other stuff, and so it is just more simple and calming, and she loves it. But okay, so we did that late last night. This morning I woke up that we had a package delivered to my P.O. box, and a super sweet long time subscriber had sent this to us and said it was her daughter's and it had reminded her of Savannah, and she sent it, and it looks absolutely perfect. It was such a perfect timing because she needed a lamp there. So thank you, Yolanda, so much. I love your support. You're always so kind to me, and Savannah absolutely loves that lamp. It's like it was perfect for this room. And then she wanted to kind of like LOLify her bathroom. And if you've been around a while, you know this has been in here before. I just saved it when she got her LOL one because I figured she's like me and she's going to want to redecorate at some point. And so all of this stuff I had just saved. But it's just sweet. It's calming. It's peaceful. Hello. Savvy's back there too. All this stuff we already had. So we literally spent zero, even the gray trash can we had. So we spent $0 and her room is completely different. But it started a chain reaction because I brought in my gray curtains in here from my beauty room. So I took down her pink ones. Let's head in here. So in here, you guys have seen some of this changes from yesterday's video. I did add like the fluffy blanket rug. I've never really used this as a rug too much, but on there on my coffee table, and then I added her pink blanket there. The pillows you guys have already seen. But okay, I'm gonna show you something, but I don't want you to freak out. If you don't like it, you don't have to tell me. I don't know if it'll stay, but definitely right now until Valentine's Day. Since I added pink to the house, I put up her curtains in my dining room. And trust me guys, I get it. I know it's bold. I literally have zero color in my house, and now I have all this pink, but it's just so fun and girly. I'm sure it won't make it. It may not even make it to Valentine's Day. It may not even make it till tomorrow, but today I'm loving it, and that's all that matters. There's Tiger. So it is fun and festive. I did have Chase take me back to Ross. I had mentioned that there was a pink teapot. Here it is, just to add, and it was I found one on sale for $12.99 instead of $17, so I grabbed that. So yeah, we've had a lot of changing, and it was all going on until like 10:30 last night. Me and Chase, or Savannah, just freaked Chase out with how we want to rearrange like right at bedtime, but that's how everything's looking. Oh, and I wanted to also mention that my hoodie came in. I told you guys in Friday's video when I released all my merch that one hoodie hadn't come in, and it was like the nicer hoodie. It came in today a lot sooner than expected, and I love it. I got it in white, which is really different for me. Let me flip this around so you can see. Okay, so here it is. I feel like it's great quality. The other one's great quality too. I want to say the difference is this one almost seems a tad bit dressier. It has like nicer like ribbons for like the hoodie part. I don't know, the way it was made, it just seems like it's a tad bit dressier versus, let me pull up my other one. So this is the other one, and this is more like, I don't know, I think of more like athletic looking. Still, once again, it's great quality. It's gonna last both of them are gonna last a long time. It's just this one's a little more casual, where this one's a little dressier. I will say I love both colors. I love gray, but there's something about the white, and this like blush color does pick up better on the white versus the gray. It comes off a little cream. But I had mentioned to you guys that when I got that in, I would let you know. And so once again, I'll leave that link down below in my description box if you want to buy any of my merch. So I forgot to mention today is Saturday. It is 1 o'clock. Chase isn't here. The town we live in, his like a baseball team, the Owasso baseball team is having like an alumni baseball game, and so he gets to play in it today. But he left early just because he has to like sign up and warm up and all that. We're gonna pop in a little bit later. Plus it's like super cold here, and obviously I've been sick, Savannah's been sick, so we didn't want to go the entire time. But I will try to show a clip of that while I'm there. But I wanted to mention over on Instagram today, me and some girls got together and we're gonna do a $300 giveaway. So we all have $50 gift cards to send to the lucky winner. So definitely head on over there and check out the rules and get signed up for that. I'll also try to link their channels down below in the description box if you wanna check them out here on YouTube. While I was at the P.O. box, first off, I got a really cute, not cute, it was cute, but really sweet Valentine's Day card. So thank you to who sent that. I don't always like to give names because I don't know if you guys want me to. But Jaws, they sponsored me probably 3 weeks ago. Amazing company, amazing. I work with a lot of companies and some of them are easy to work with and some aren't. I love Jaws. I love what they stand for, and I love their like customer service and the people. But they sent me a handwritten thank you card for working with them. And this is an add-on item they sent, but they're just like cleaning cloths, but they are so soft. Like they're amazing. So if you guys order through them, I have my link down below, but add those to your cart because they are so nice. And then they were sweet and just went ahead and sent me my granite refills. They know this is my favorite product out of anything. I use this all the time. Savannah's started doing chores to earn a weekly allowance. Like her room and all that she just has to do because that's hers, but I've needed more help since I've been working here from home, and so she started cleaning. But anyways, I can tell when she's cleaned the kitchen with this because I'll come in here and I'm like, oh, it just smells so good. So definitely if you guys are just gonna buy one product, try the granite cleaner, it's awesome. So me and Savannah, like I said, we're gonna get around and then head into town so that we can go watch Chase play. I know a lot of people have signed up for it, so I don't know if he'll get to play that long and if I'll have missed it, but I'll try to get a clip of him. And then tonight, the baseball players are putting on like a spaghetti dinner as a fundraiser, so we'll be going to that as well. They actually always, like a lot of the time, will make a video, whatever their theme is for the year, and it's, I can't remember the quote of like what it is, but it's like just like home based and all that. But anyways, they came over and filmed a clip of me, Savannah, and Chase, because Chase is alumni, to put in it of him just being like a family guy or a husband and a dad. So I'll try to get a clip of that, maybe not. If I can, I'll go ahead and link it in this video too. But now we're gonna just go ahead and get around and head out.
Believe someone like me is here with somebody like you. There's something about you and I know why. I'm gonna tell you what it is. It's in your smile and in your feet. It's high and low and in between. And I am glad to let you know, but only if you give me a kiss. Yeah, it's no secret.
What you doing, Mr. Till Vacuum?
Getting your video ready for tomorrow.
Nice glass.
We bought these, what are they called?
They're like blue screen computer glasses.
Brittany Borum Leach started talking about them a long time ago, and I finally broke down and bought them just because I get so many headaches, I think, from sitting at that computer editing, and I'm liking them so far.
Yeah, I like them too.
I think they work really well. It's my eyelashes that hit them since I get my eyelashes put on, but I think Chase likes them more.
Yep.
What are you doing, Miss Thing?
Answering comments on Instagram.
Why don't you stand up and show them your cute outfit? We're about to go to dinner for that fundraiser. And so I hear that it's like a spaghetti dinner, and supposedly they have Olive Garden breadsticks, right?
Yes, salad and breadsticks.
Or he's just telling me that to get me to go out in the world where people are.
Oops.
Hey, Savvy, will you hit that light over there? Yeah, I just have on my go-to black top with my black jeggings from Ava Rose, and then these are my boots from JCPenney's. And then I have on my bracelets. And then these are the earrings I had got from Target that I showed you guys in that cleaning video. So that is what I'm wearing.
When we go out, it's always fun. You pick me up when I am down. And that's just one of many things that makes me believe that you're a dream. Yeah, it's no secret at all. It's so obvious to all of us. Yeah, you're perfect. From the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad, so perfect. When I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Ooh, I know that you're worth it. Ooh, 'cause girl, you're perfect, amazing. That I'm kissing you, it's not what you expect from someone so perfect.
25 straight ahead, and now 30. I got 25, and I'm 130, another 130, 30, 25, and 130. I got 25, and 130, another 130, 30. For Coach Brewer, 25, and 130. 25, and 130, another 130, 30. 25, and 130, another 130, 30. For the cherry strawberry cheesecake, I got 25, and 130. I got 25, and 130.
The home of champions. 13 state titles.
See Daddy number 13.
A true champion affects the community. They have a servant heart, always putting others before themselves. A true champion grows old to be great spouses, great parents, great leaders. This year, we will continue to add to our home of champions.
Okay guys, it's like 9:15. We just got home. It was a fun evening. It started around 6:30, but I showed clips of all that. But they do like silent auctions, raffles. I don't know. It's just a lot of fun every time we're there. They had Olive Garden breadsticks, so that was a win. And they also did that video, and I put a clip in that me and Chase were in it. That was really cool, that they asked Chase and us to be in that. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here, obviously, because it's late and we need to go to bed. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.